हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। बहुत दिनों के बाद मैंने सोचा कि एक फुल लेंथ वीडियो बनाऊं। सो क्या अभी आई जस्ट चेंज माय लुक फ्रॉम straight hair to curly hair. How do I do it? It's spanning over like 8 to 10 hours. So उसके पहले I was just shooting another video, peelings dance वाला video. I hope you all have seen it. तो वो मैंने साड़ी में शूट किया था। तो अभी ये जो वीडियो होगा इट्स अबाउट हेयर स्टाइल्स एंड आई हैव बीन डूइंग इट फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम नाउ, बट इट्स बिकॉज इट्स अ बिट टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, सो मुझे हमेशा करने का मन नहीं होता। तो टुडे माई हेयर इज़ shampooed and clean, and I thought that while going to bed I will just style my hair like so. So ये flexi rods, FLEXI, flexi rods, means flexible rods, are easily available on Amazon or any other e-commerce websites, and you can choose the diameter of the rods. And yeah, I'm just happy that I finally am shooting the video. So I have changed my outfit, and before sleeping I'll just do my hair. So I have started with dry hair, and for heatless curls, overnight curls, you can use them. And the tighter you wrap the curls, the tighter you wrap your hair around the rods, the finer the curls will be, the more tighter the curls will be. So people with long hair will take a little bit more time, like 30 to 45 minutes to wrap their hair. TV देखते देखते आप कर सकते हो. First I damp my hair a bit because it's dry, so for better results you should damp your hair a bit. Just water से मैंने थोड़ा बाल wet कर लिया, and now I will comb my hair and separate it into sections. So I've taken a thin section, and this is the first flexi rod, and this is how you wrap it around. Wrap your hair around the curls. So I was getting bored, so I played some songs and I was singing to myself. At least almost 3-4 मिनट या 3.5 मिनट के गाने 5-10 तो सुन ही लिए होंगे. Like it took me around 45 minutes to do my hair, separate them and do my hair. And I wanted to do tighter curls, so I took a little bit more time. And yeah, this is how it goes. So I'm almost done, and yeah, after 45 minutes I was pretty tired, so I took off my lenses, and these are my real eyes, and I'm wiping off the mascara with coconut oil. Trust me guys, coconut oil is the best makeup remover, and thereafter you can wash your face with any face wash and it will not dry your skin at all. And apply aloe vera gel. Whatever I do at night, if I've gone out or if I've applied even the barest minimum makeup on my skin, I do wipe it off with a cotton swab. And here I'm using a toner, Patanjali Gulab Gel. You can use any gulab gel of your choice. After wiping your face, all the makeup and the traces of makeup with coconut oil, आप पतंजलि गुलाब जल या कोई भी और ब्रांड का गुलाब जल लेके कॉटन में अच्छे से क्लीन कर लीजिए. इससे इट विल सूद योर फेस and eyes and the skin around your eyes. Make sure ke around the eyes you do not do खींचातानी ज़्यादा. That's it. This is my totally bare face without any makeup or any shred of lipstick, lip gloss, whatever. Now I will not wash my face anymore. It is clean, as you can see. And I will apply aloe vera gel, thanda aloe vera gel, the Kesar Chandan one from Patanjali again. So like I said in my earlier videos, I swear by Patanjali. So it has two variants, the Kesar Chandan one and the normal one. You can use this as a serum, overnight serum, and apply it religiously around your eye area, and it will provide a calming and soothing effect. If you apply this twice daily all over your face and body, I can assure you your skin will glow. But you also need to drink enough water and follow a good diet. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बिल्कुल भी जंक फूड मत खाया करो. मैं तो खाती हूँ, बट मैं वेजीज एंड फ्रूट्स भी बहुत खाती हूँ इसके साथ. So yeah, now I'm ready to hit the bed. I'm super tired. See you all tomorrow morning. Oh, what a bright sunny day. Anyways, I am ready, and I thought that let me wear a nice top and shorts, and before changing I will do a transition video. I uploaded a few transitions on my Instagram and on YouTube also. Do check them out. So this is this fluffy wintry dress which I got from Vietnam, and I love this. It's not that cold in Kolkata anymore, but in Vietnam it was very windy in January, but I enjoyed my trip. So this can be given a bit of dimension at the waist because it's totally fluffy and doesn't have any shape of its own, but I love the color. It's fluorescent, and I have gotten a lot of bells with it. I will style them, but now is the major reveal. How did my curls turn out after 8 hours of uncomfortable sleeping? Because ये मतलब थोड़ा सोने में तकलीफ होता है यार, ऐसे नहीं सो सकते. तो या द रिवील, it's not bad. I'm impressed. Yes, I did not use any heat at all. With heat, you will definitely, with a hair curler or thin diameter curling tong, you will obviously get the same results within 1 hour max. If you do thin sections. But my objective was to not apply heat to my hair, and so here I am. It's quite good. You should totally brush out your curls, and yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm impressed. They do add a lot of volume to my hair, and they totally change the shape of the face. You can try them, girls with long hair, even with short hair also. This looks amazing. Even with medium hair, कभी कभी different hair styles try करना चाहिए. So this is the belt I was talking of, a delicate pearl belt and simple jewelry. That's it. I don't have anywhere to go right now this early in the morning, but I wanted to shoot it in bright light. So this is the final look. How did you like it? And this is definitely a very good rocker chic party look. If I had to go to a party, I would pair this up with tan colored boots, thigh high boots. So yeah, definitely someday I will wear this to a party scene. And right now that's all. Bye, and like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment if you liked this look. Bye.